Hey you guys, welcome to Lisa and Company. Today is something totally different. It's a YouTube hop created by Heidi over at Happily Thriving Heidi. If you're coming over from Corey's channel at Desert DIY, then welcome. I hope you'll watch the video, stay a while, and think about subscribing. Be sure to watch to the very end so I can send you on to our next creator in the DIY with Friends hop. Little snowflake tabletop sign. You guys, these are adorable, but they are so badly cut. The edges are super rough. I had to do a ton of sanding, and after I painted this first one, these babies went outside and got a spray paint coat. It was so tricky to get into all those little spots. When I did bring them back in, I did go back and sand through every little crevice. This girl loves snowflakes, but the love was waning by the time these were done. Anyway, I folded up a little piece and we did get through it, and we did get to move on to the fun stuff. So I did do kind of a neat thing with these. I took them back out to the garage and I gave them a light coat of silver spray paint, just like from really far away. So it was really mottled. It came out cool. For the words I cut out on my Cricut, I actually used Dollar Tree contact paper in sort of this dark brown wood grain, and I'm kind of jazzed by the way it came out. I had no idea if it would stick well. I didn't know if I would have to Mod Podge over top of it, but it totally worked. We'll be doing this again. I'm adding snowflakes on snowflakes. It's a little bit like gilding the lily, but yeah, I really feel like you can't have too many snowflakes. I dry brushed these teeny tiny snowflakes in white paint. Word to the wise, you have to be very careful. They're super delicate, and I did break one while I was doing this. Up next may be the least expensive project I've ever made. It is 7 Jenga blocks, a little wooden bead, and one of those stickers from the Dollar Tree. So I love these little sample pots of paint. This one is actually from Restoration Hardware. I've had it for years, and it is exactly the color that I want to use for this. So we're going to use up some leftover paint. So a quick coat of the gray paint on all these little parts, and we are going to whip through this craft in no time. I'm sticking it all together with the Aleene's tacky glue that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to let it sit carefully while everything comes together. These lazy girl tips are becoming epic. While it was lying there, I basically filled all the gaps with hot glue so that would help it really set up, dry clear, and I could attach my snowflake with it. When it was dry, I flipped it over and did exactly the same thing on the back. I did go back and give a super light dry brush over the whole thing, and it just looked like frosty, fresh snow. A quick hanger made out of some Dollar Tree ribbon will do the trick and call this one a day. For the last project, I'm using one of the girly IKEA cushion covers. Make sure you wash them first because you're not going to be able to do it afterwards if you don't. I've created this on my Cricut, and you do have to reverse it when you're using the iron-on transfer. This baby is all ready to go, so we are going to make this cushion. I ended up just eyeballing it to get it into the right spot, then using parchment paper, and this is the first time I've ever done this, you're going to use your iron on its hottest setting. Just follow the instructions that came with the iron-on transfer, and this is pretty much it, you guys. This is pretty much this project. You guys, these DIYs were so much fun. I could have just done this all day. This cushion on my freshly redone chaise looks so cute, and it is absolutely staying there for the entire holiday season. My little Let It Snow sign is right here beside it, but I'm pretty sure I can think about half a dozen places that this could potentially live somewhere else in the house. And my ornament, well, I'm going to be making a whole bunch of those. Hop in your hop. It's time for you to head on over to Charmaine over at Fixin' 2 and see what she's fixin' to make for the holidays today. I really hope you enjoyed our DIY with Friends hop today. Hopefully, if you're stopping by from one of the other channels, you'll hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll become part of our family here at Lisa & Company. We'll see you next time. If you missed my holiday mantle decorating, I'm going to link it right here for you. And Charlie and I just want to say, have a great DIY day.